Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I will be showing you guys the Amazon Basic Wireless Remote Control. So this model is for my Canon DSLR, and the range on this, it can go up to 10 feet, and also it comes with a velvet carrying pouch. So let's open the box. Okay, so it comes with a user manual. And here is the remote control. So I already pulled off the plastic on the back to activate the battery. It's just got one button. And your battery's back here. So let's test this out and see how it works. To activate this, what you have to do is you have to go to the drive mode. Okay, and you have to pick the self-timer / remote. It won't work on the single shot or other high-speed continuous shot. It only works on the self-timer. Okay, so you click on that. All you have to do is just focus on something and just click on the controller. Okay, so make sure you aim it right in front of the camera to activate it. Alright, so that's all to it, guys. That is your remote control Amazon Basic. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to rate and subscribe.
During installation of the Emerson SR400 4-speed remote control, you'll need the following tools: Phillips screwdriver, a standard screwdriver, and a ladder. All other parts you'll need you can find in the control box. Refer to your owner's manual for complete step-by-step instructions. Before doing any work, turn off the power at the breaker. The SR400 remote control consists of a handheld transmitter and a receiver, which is mounted under the fan ceiling cover. For other controls or receiver models, refer to your owner's manual. The remote control is powered by two AAA alkaline batteries. To install batteries, remove the battery cover by pressing firmly below the arrow and sliding the cover off the control. Use a screwdriver or ballpoint pen to move the 5 code switches located within to a firm up or down position, creating a unique code. The 6th switch is for dimming control of lights. If using fluorescent bulbs, set the switch to off. To allow dimming of incandescent and halogen bulbs, set the switch to on. Remember, if you're not comfortable with wiring or working with electricity, please contact a licensed electrician. Connect the black or red supply wire to the black receiver wire labeled AC in L. Connect the white supply wire to the white receiver wire labeled AC in N. Use the supplied wire connectors to make connections. Next, connect the white receiver wire, labeled to motor in, to the white fan wire. Connect the red receiver wire, labeled to motor L, to the black fan wire. Connect the blue receiver wire, labeled for light, to the blue fan wire, if applicable. If not installing a light fixture, cap each blue wire separately with the supplied wire caps. All wiring must be in accordance with the current national and local electric codes. Use the national electrical code if local codes do not exist. The ceiling fan must be grounded as a precaution against possible electrical shock. Electrical installation should be performed or approved by a licensed electrician. Once wiring connections have been made, push the connected wires up into the junction box and position the receiver in the hanger bracket above the hanger ball. Lay the antenna wire on top of the receiver. Reinstall the ceiling cover. Once this has been completed, go turn the power back on, and within 1 minute of restoring power, press and hold the off button on the front of the remote. If you've installed a light fixture, the lights will flash twice. If no light fixture is present, simply press and hold the off button for 15 seconds. Now you can begin to enjoy your new Emerson SR400 4-speed remote control. Share pictures of your handiwork on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram using the hashtag #MyEmersonFan.
The first thing I want to jump into is the ability to switch out your lens in seconds. The cool thing about these lenses is they were designed with 6 rare earth magnets and integrated locking system here on the side. You simply undo these latches and slightly pull on this lens and swap it out for one of our 7 different other colors and tints. Keeping in mind, all our other lens options are sold separately. And there you have it. And unlike most magnetic goggles on the market, the Roka features an integrated easy side clip locking system. This is designed to hold your lens in place in the event of a gnarly crash, or when you simply want to swap out your lens for a new one while you're heading up on the ski lift. These lenses will stay secure on your face. Okay, so this is one of our lens options that you use during a bright sunny day. And now I want to quickly show you our low light options. As the day starts getting darker, you can simply throw this on and you're good to go.